When I have a leftover rotisserie chicken, I make chicken pho in under 30 minutes.
Leftover rotisserie chicken? Never heard of it. So I actually just roasted a chicken.
1 onion.
1 onion.
2 ounces of sliced ginger.
2 somethings of sliced ginger.
This is rock candy sugar. If you can't find that, just use regular table sugar.
This is rock sugar. I don't know if it's the same.
Some salt.
Salt.
Here's our spices: cinnamon, star anise, fennel, cloves, coriander.
Here's all that stuff that she said.
I put all those spices in a spice bag.
I don't have a spice bag, but what I do have is a sock.
If you don't have it, just toss it in and scoop it out later.
Okay, fine. But for the record, I actually think the sock would work. And probably give you some extra flavors.
1 tablespoon of dish sauce.
She's not measuring it, nor am I.
And boil for 30 minutes.
Boil for 30 minutes.
This is the brand of rice noodles I like to use.
This was the only brand of rice noodles my basic supermarket sold.
It's been 30 minutes. I'm going to take the chicken out and shred it.
It's been 30 minutes. I'm going to struggle to get the chicken out. Come on.
Wow, it smells so good.
Man, I wish I used the sock.
Sriracha, a little hoisin sauce.
Sriracha, hoisin sauce. Yes, I did that backwards.
Follow for more easy recipes.
Is it the best chicken pho of my life? No. Did I make it in 30 minutes? Also, technically no, because I roasted my own chicken. But it's an easy, cheap dinner. I like it. And follow me so I can test more internet recipes.